How to enable virtualization on Windows 11. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager and then click on Performance at the top. In the left panel, click on the CPU. Under CPU Details, you'll see Virtualization. If it says Enabled, you're good to go for the hardware part. To enter BIOS, restart your computer and tap this appropriate key to reboot. Press the appropriate key during boot up to enter BIOS or UEFI settings. Find the virtualization option. The option will usually be named something like select the option and change its status from disabled to enabled. Look for an exit tab or menu, select Save Changes and exit. Your computer will restart. After rebooting, recheck Task Manager to confirm that virtualization is now enabled.